Now, let's start to get slightly more complex. Let's pretend that we're getting half an apple again, and we've got the two semiquavers. So we've got a quaver and we've got two semiquavers. But instead of grouping the two semiquavers together, we're going to put one, then the quaver, then another semiquaver in the end, and we end up with this particular pattern. So here we've got a semiquaver, then a quaver, and a single quaver together. When we count that, it goes like this. 1E and A. I'll do that again. 1E and A. Because remember that half an apple in the middle, or that quaver in the middle, still needs the 2/4 put together. So we've got 1E and A. When we draw this one, musically it's a little bit trickier. Because what we've got is the single quaver followed by the... Sorry, let me start that again. We've got the single semiquaver followed by a quaver followed by another semiquaver. And again, we have the problem that if you just draw two beams across all of it, then everything shows that it's semiquavers, and we don't want that. What we do want is to represent that the first one is a semiquaver. So they use like a short beam across. So it's going from the first note there, and it's got that little second beam going across, but it doesn't touch the quaver because we need that to be separate. And we do the opposite on the last semiquaver, we put the little stroke going inwards. So the grouping goes like this. 1E and A. I'll do that one again. 1E and A. So let's combine this semiquaver grouping into an example. And here we've got two quavers followed by the grouping that we've just looked at, which is the semiquaver, quaver, another semiquaver. Then we've got one that we looked at before, which is the quaver followed by two semiquavers, finishing off with a crotchet. And this is how it goes. 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and let's do this again. Ready, go. 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and